Welcome to KSIS Academy. And now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 15th November 2021. CBI ED chiefs can now have 5-year terms. So President Ramnath Kovind promulgated 2 ordinances that would allow the Union government to extend the tenures of Directors of Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorate from 2 years to up to 5 years. So ordinances or laws which are promulgated by central and state governments when parliament or state legislation are not in session. So Article 123 authorizes central government to promulgate ordinances, and Article 213 authorizes the state government to pass ordinances. And the ordinances they passed only if the 2 conditions are satisfied. First thing is at least one house should not be in the session. And the second is president. He should be satisfied that immediate action is necessary. So approved president passed an ordinances prakaram. It allows the union government to extend the tenures of directors of Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorate up to 5 years. So this change was brought about by amending the Delhi Special Police Establishment Act 1946 in case of CBI director and ED director post. This change was brought about by amending Central Vigilance Commission Act 2003. Kaisari Hind is Arunachal State butterfly. The Arunachal State Cabinet on Saturday approved the large bright-colored Kaisari Hind as state butterfly. So Arunachal Pradesh Kaisari Hind butterfly and state butterfly ga announced chesaru. And the cabinet also adopted the Pakka Tiger Reserve 2047 declaration on climate change, which is aimed at lowering emissions and sustainable development. And so Kaisari Hind literally means Emperor of India. And this butterfly, it is of 90 to 120 millimeters wingspan, and it is found in 6 states along the eastern Himalayas at elevations of 6,000 to 10,000 feet. And it is also found in Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, and southern China. And the proposal was made with a view to boosting butterfly tourism and saving the species from extinction in the state. So, this proposal cheyadaniki main reasons entante in order to boost butterfly tourism and also to save the species from extinction. Kaisari Hind is protected under Schedule 2 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is hunted for supply to butterfly collectors. So Wildlife Protection Act 1972, it was enacted to protect plant and animal species. The act in the 6 schedules, right? And the species are divided among these 6 schedules based on the requirement of conservation. So Kaisari Hind Schedule 2 kindakostundi, and this butterfly species is hunted for supply of butterfly collectors. According to Assam-based butterfly expert Monsoon Jyoti Gogoi, he said that the species is confined to few places in Arunachal Pradesh, and if not conserved, they might extinct. Deliveries of S-400 systems have begun, Russia official. So Moscow has started the deliveries of S-400 air defense systems to India. So S-400 air defense systems in India ke deliver to Russia will start this. Thank you.